Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah Nahyan and welcome to my channel Code with Abdullah Nahyan. Today we are going to make a new website. So today is our topic is car listing website using Elementor and ACF Pro. So after watching this video, you can make any kind of car listing website, not only car listing. You can add like property listing, team listing or anything listing website you can make very easily. So first check our demo. So already I make a demo site, like we have a car listing, car name, car price, and few features. And if you want to more details, you can click here read more and you can show the car details. Like this is Mercedes Benz and this price, image, overview, gallery and map. You can show here at the right side. You can view info like how many doors, passengers, manual transmission, how many bag, etc. and dealer info, their name and email address. And if you get another card like this one, and if you click here and you can show this BMW image is information, and both are same dealer info and this like this, and is gallery and map. So we will try to make similar like this website, and so let's start. So make this website, I already installed a theme what is in my local flywheel, and here theme I use Hello Elementor, and from plugins we used here Advanced Custom Fit Pro version and Elementor Free and Pro both version. Okay, fine. So we can create all cards, and here I just click open this for demo. Okay, and if you go to preview site, so preview like this, just header footer. Okay, fine. So first we need all information. So go to here ACF and click here post type. So click here add new. So just write here like cards. Okay, singular name like car and post key like car, that's fine. And we don't need any taxonomy like tag or category, etc. So hierarchical true, public true must be, and advanced configuration just open enable here and show here like general. We need title, we don't need editor, need feature image, author as a don't need custom field needs, yes. And if you need any supports, you can just click here and it will show here. And go to labels, so menu name like cards, and then edit card. Okay, that's are fine. And here anything else specificity, that's fine. Now click here save changes. After click on save changes, we show here we have a menu like cards. If you click here all cards, so this is an all card list, and click here add new. So we have just a card title and featured image. Okay, so but we need few options like here. Okay, so go to here and first ACF and then click here field groups. So click here add new and group title like car details, for example details. Okay, so we need lot of information like doors, gallery, overview and more. So we can all options showcase here. Okay, so for this, so we can click here like tab. Okay, so just first write here like overview. Okay, and close field and click here add new. So just click here like text area and search here for description. Okay, field name same. Okay, and close field. Just click on save changes and refresh the add new card, but nothing show here. Why? Because we have two settings here. After this is show this field group if post type is equal to card. Which card? Already we make this card. Okay, now click on save changes and here I can refresh the page and show here, that's fine. We have a tab overview. Then we create another tab. Just right here search for tab. Okay, and write for like info. Okay, and close field. So first we need like price. So here we can search for price level. Field name same. Okay, not default value need, and click here. Now we need like how many doors. So we have search for like number and doors. Okay, click here and save changes. Now we can refresh the page and show here we have overview, the description and click info. Here price is full width and door is full width, but it's not looking nice. So for this we can just edit price and go to here presentation, and from here attribute we can write here 33%. Same for doors presentation, and here we can write here 33% width. Then we need passengers. So here after this we can create add new field. Passengers is like number, how many passengers. So we can just write here like number and write here passengers and click here. Okay, and from presentation we can write here like 33%. Now save changes, refresh the page and go to info. Yes, now it's looking nice. Now manual transmission, manual or auto, how many bags, and AC available, yes or no, that's fine. So we can need transmission, so we can copy this text from here. So here we can write here transmission. Yes, we can search for select. We can search for checkbox or select. So search for select, yes, and here field level. So we can just write for manual and auto. And here post format we can just need value only level. Okay, and close field. Okay, we need to presentation and write for 33%. Now we can transmission, and then we have luggages and AC. So how many luggages? It will be like text, sorry, number, and here luggages, field name. From presentation we can just write here 33%. And finally for this step we can search for right here for how many AC available or not available. So we can search for like true false AC. Okay, and here click here message and default value, yes. Okay, or we can use this here for select. I think it's okay, just search for select. Okay, AC, and here available and not available, and here level. Okay, and we have this presentation to search here 33%. Save changes and refresh the page. Okay, so click here info, and that's nice, perfect. Now we can add for another options like gallery and info. We can add a map option. So just search here for map. We can just here text and search for map, and presentation we can search for 33%. Okay, and from general here is okay, default value not need, just that's okay. Refresh the page and go to info. Yes, map is show here. Now we have this gallery and dealer info. Okay, so search for another option. We can write here like tab, and here gallery. Okay, and here we can add another field like gallery, and right here like gallery images, field name, and we need just image URL. Okay, then we can add another field like tab, and search here like contact info. Okay, so we need image, name, font and email, 4 fields. Okay, fine. So here we can search for here like for image, right here contact image. Okay, and from presentation we can just write here like 50%. Then we need contact name, and from presentation we can just write here like 50%. Then contact font, we can just write here text, contact font, field name, presentation we can just write here 50%, and we can again duplicate this part and just write here email. So we can just search for email value, email, and just write here email. Remove this field name. Okay, and click here and again click here, just automatic put here, and okay, save changes and refresh the page. So info, this gallery and our contact info, that's fine. Now so we have to field group is all created, done. Now go to create our first option, first card. So create all cards and this one. Okay, so we can just create here. So Mercedes Benz G class, we can just here name this here. Then image, featured image. So for here we can upload image. So I have this desktop and car listing and maybe this one, yes. So set image. Now overview, we can copy this from here, paste here. Okay, now info, like price is price like 27, we can copy from text here and here. Then doors, 2 doors, then 5 passengers, all are example. Then we have 1 bags. Map we can write here, like suppose for New York, we can just put here just your map full name here. Now gallery, add to gallery, I can upload image. So I have 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, open. After open and select. Okay, you can rearrange image as you wish. Now contact info, so add image. So for example, I can upload this image, for example this one. Select. Okay, contact name, so this name is like Peter Jackson, for example. And phone number, we can copy this from here, name, and from email. Okay, so all done. Click on publish. Okay, if you view the page, so nothing show here. So before we start, we have to getting our settings permalinks, and we have to save post name before. Okay, so we need a single view page. So for this, go to here. We to for a single view, we can go to templates to theme builder. So we need single post, only single post. Click here, add new. So before publish, we can save here, like add condition, we can all, not singular, all cars. Okay, and save and close. And here we can settings, we can just write here single car. Okay, published. And page layout, Elementor full width. Then okay, again preview settings, and here we can search for car, apply and preview. Okay, so we have this like this one. So this is background image. So first click here, and here down arrow, go to style and background type, upload image. So I have already created this one. Select. Now from here we can choose background position, center, display size, cover. Okay, and from background overlay we can choose color like #111 and 0.85 opacity. Okay, advanced, and here padding like top 60 and bottom 60. Now we can search for post title, just preview here. Okay, and here H4 heading, style, text center, we can choose font family like Poppins, and font size like 30 pixel, and color change to white color. Now publish again, and if you check any single, now refresh the page, check, that's perfect. Now we have like this one, 2 column. So for this we can plus icon, and we can choose 2 equal column, and this advanced, padding top 80 pixel, bottom 80. Choose this column, and here right here like 75%, this one like 25%. Now go to add for post title again. Okay, search for H4, go to style, and we have a need background color. So go to advanced, and we can choose this color from here, color code, this color code, and from here advanced, and background we can choose this color from here. Okay, fine. Advanced layout we can choose like padding 15 pixel. Okay, click here, go to style, and choose font family like Poppins, font size like 25 pixel, 6, color change to white color. That's perfect. And we can choose font weight like 600. Okay, that's fine. Now we need featured image, so just click here plus icon and featured image. Okay, let's show here, go to style and choose with 100%. That's perfect. Now we need overview, so again copy this part and paste here, again paste, and again paste. So first overview, so we can just need this. Okay, so we can add a heading, so we have need manually. So for this we can add a normal heading. We can remove this part from here and from here. So copy from style from here and paste style. Okay, that's fine. So we need first overview, so just search for overview. Then we need gallery, and then need map. So for show our we can decrease font size from here like 22 pixel. Yes, that's or 20 pixel. It's perfect. Copy, paste style and paste style. Now click on plus icon and choose here text editor. Okay, font dynamic text we can choose here like ACF field, and again click here and we can font tree we can choose here like description. Okay, so go to style and choose here we can choose like Poppins font, and font size like 70 pixel, line height 27 pixel. Okay, and here we can choose color like #111. We can decrease like 60 pixel. Yes, now perfect. For gallery we can search for gallery, so we can choose this basic gallery. Okay, from clear dynamic text and then ACF gallery field, and click here. From key we can choose gallery images. Okay, that's perfect. We can publish the page and refresh again. So for showing the map, we can search for our map. Start here and go to here ACF field and choose here we have map. Okay, so that's New York map show here, that's fine. So at the right side, if you check our demo site, we have a right side this one. So from this we can copy this one from here and paste, and here again duplicate. Sorry, this one not. We have one column and sorry, maybe we have duplicate this column. Okay, so from here we can choose here 75 and this one like 25. So here we can remove this one and remove this part. We can copy for style from here and paste here. So here we can just write here our price. So just click here price title, and not this one. We can just overview and here ACF field. From here we can choose tree and price. Yes, that's perfect. Now go to style here and choose we can increase font size like 35. That's fine. Now we have at that then this one, so we can search for our icon box. So search for icon box and paste here. So we can first one. So first we have this doors. So search for we can search for door and this column. So this icon, and here we can choose stack. Okay, and here from here we can choose our ACF field and click here. We can search for here doors. Okay, and here we can just here write for doors. Okay, go to style and left align and vertical and middle, and we can choose this color from here advanced, and background from this color this one. Click here, go to style icon, we can choose this color and size like 20 pixel. Okay, go to content and click here color like #F111. Okay, font family like Poppins, and font size like 18 pixel 22. Okay, and go to box, we can decrease like 10 and here like 5, and from content here description we can write here like #111. Font family like Poppins, font size like 18 pixel. Okay, and font rate 500. We can increase some size Duplicate this time 5 times, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we have our passengers. Okay, so we can just copy this line from here and click here and search for users. Like we can use this icon, users, and here click here and change to our passengers. Okay, and just right here paste. Then we need our manual transmission, manual or auto. So here click here, search for manual, this icon. Then click here and here we can search for manual, sorry, transmission, and just right here manual, transmission. Okay, then we have our luggages. So click here, luggage, we can search for luggage, luggaging, and click here, we can search for luggage. Okay, so just one, we can search after space we can luggages. Oh sorry, we can just write here like bags, one bags. Okay, and here we can just paste luggages. That's perfect. Now AC, yes or no, just click here, we can search for AC icon. So search for air conditioner, so you can use this icon for air conditioner. Click here and search for, we have AC. Okay, available. At the bottom we can just write here like AC. That's perfect. Click on publish. Now then we have our dealer info. So copy this line from here and paste. We don't need this map part, we can remove this part. Here we can add other options. For example, we can add like form. Okay, we can add form. We can just repeat this part and search for, we have image. So we can just drag and drop here image, upload file. Sorry, we have already images, this one. Sorry, not well. We can add dynamically. So go to here and here ACF field, and our field is our contact image. That's fine. And here we can copy this color from here, advanced background color, and here we can choose here like max width like 50%, and border radius choose for like percentage, if you choose like 50%. Okay, and border type solid 2 pixel, and color will be like this one. Now we can add a heading. So search for, we have a heading tag, just right here paste H4. Dynamic text, we can choose here like ACF field. Click here and choose for contact name, Peter Jackson. That's fine, and this color will be like this. So go to style, we can search for Poppins font, Poppins, and here we can search for Poppins font and align center and color this one. Now we can search for list icon list. So for this one, so first one we can just write for like font icon, font. Okay, and here dynamic text, we can choose ACF field and click here, we can choose from key contact font. Okay, that's fine. Now we can search for dynamic text ACF field, and here click here, we can choose here like contact email. Okay, fine. Now we can just search for envelope. Go to style part, and here text and center divider on, we can choose here icon color, we can this icon, and from here text we can search for Poppins font. So search for Poppins and font weight like 500. That's perfect. And go to list, we can space 50 pixel. That's perfect. And form, we can search for a form, this form we can just drag and drop here. Sorry, search for form. Okay, so that's perfect. And go to here, we can like style, column gap, row gap 20, level spacing we can increase some size like 10 pixel, Go to color, we can search for #111. Okay, and field text color, we can write here like #111. And we maybe remove our label, so context label. Okay, yes, we can remove our label, so just here remove this label and message remove label. Go to style, and here same field buttons, we can write here this our primary color. Okay, and here buttons will be like this one. Perfect. Field, we have a border color like #DDD. Now this is perfect. Click on publish and preview page. Okay, so this is our basically single card. Okay, now if you go to our remove all pages, and here when user click all cards, so it showcase all cards. So first we to go to, if you cards, we don't have just one card, so I have to add more cards. So now I'll pause this video and all cards, and then again continue the video. So in this page we want to show all cards we have listed, like we have currently 6 items. So if you have demo site like this one, we want to show all cards. Okay, so for this we can go to here edit page and edit with Elementor. So we need this breadcrumb, so go to here templates, to say templates, and here all, and here we can choose for edit with single card, edit with Elementor. Okay, and duplicate this part from here. Okay, and here refresh the page again, go to settings, and here we can choose page layout to Elementor full width and paste here. So click here, we have all cards. Yes, okay, and here go to style, and here we need this image part, so we can use our breadcrumb, this one. Okay, all cards, that's fine. So click on publish and preview page. So here, so like this one, so for this we need our listing, loop grid. So search for loop grid and drag and drop here. So but we need to create template, so before here we can create publish, and here go to again say templates and add new template, select search for, we have search for loop item and post. Okay, and like all cards, create templates. Okay, so click global settings here, all cards, published. Preview settings, we can here search for card. Okay, and query we have post, that's fine. Click on apply. Okay, again check here preview settings, that's fine. Okay, and here search for like 400. Okay, now need image, then price, the title and list and button. Okay, fine. So plus icon, we need feature image, so search for feature image. Okay, go to style and with 100%, that's fine. Now go to here, we need add a heading, change to text to like H5. Okay, dynamic text, and we can choose a ACF field. Click here and again choose price. Okay, then we need title, so duplicate this part, or we can just click a plus icon and post title. Post title and publish here. Refresh the page. Maybe color change or something. Okay, fallback, we can change settings here, all cards, previous settings, we have card, that's fine. All card, query, post, and here apply and preview. Post title, or if you get another way, just search for heading. Okay, dynamic tag and search for post, post time, not post title. If we click a publish, let me check. Okay, so price showcase here. Okay, unfortunately we have one post removed, that's why this problem. Okay, we can duplicate this part, and here we can add not post title. We can remove this part. We add normal heading H4 or H5. Click here, and we can choose for like ACF field, and here price. Okay, then we need list item, so search for list, icon list, and drag and drop here. Okay, so first item we can 5 items, 3 4 5. So first door, so search for door ACF field, click here and search for doors. So here 2 doors, so after this we can advance, after we can write here doors. We can change icon like doors, this one. Then we need passengers, so again ACF field, click here and here passengers, and then we can write here after advance space passengers. Then bag, yes, minute. Okay, so after this we can change this icon for users and paste here, insert. Okay, then we can need then take dynamic text ACF field and click here and go to key, and we can write here like transmission. Okay, advanced, we can search for right here transmission, transmission, and here we can change icon like transmission. We can write here which icon you use. Okay, we can one icon, for example we can use this icon, for example. For now we can use this icon, you can change later, no problem. Then we have like again click ACF field and click here, we can search for, we can like luggages. Okay, and here click like 2 4 bags, change icon luggage. Okay, finally we have another like AC, for example click here and key, we can search for AC. Okay, and here like air conditioner. Available or we can search available AC. Okay, and here we can change icon, search for air, we can use this icon. That's perfect. So go to style here, image, we can add with 100%, and we can use this color. So we can copy this color code from here or from here. Then we can just click here, go to style, and here write for Poppins font, Poppins font weight 700, and we can write like 20 pixel 30. Change color to this one, and our title color will be normal. So click here, go to style, and here we can search for Poppins font, Poppins. Okay, font size like 22 pixel 24, and change color to H111, and font weight we can change to like 500. Now click here, go to style and divider on space like 15 pixel, that's perfect. Go to icon, change color to this color. Okay, go to text, change font family to Poppins font, Poppins font weight like 500. Okay, and here we can choose color like H111. Now finally we need a button, so search for here button, button this one, and right here like read more, change link to, we can change post URL, that's fine. Click here, go to style, and here center, and font family like Poppins, and here color change to our primary color, and hover we can background color change to like H111. Okay, click on publish. Now we go to our pages and all pages edit with Elementor, and here we can choose template. Also not client, refresh the page again. Okay, click here. We have post and search for car. Okay, and here query we can change to source will be cars. That's perfect. Now go to here advanced and add padding, top like 80 pixel, bottom 80. Now click on publish, preview page. So we have all cars here. If you click here like this one, Mercedes Benz, yes, this show here nicely. Now if you click here like Mercedes Benz, this one like audit is short, yes. So our full site is dynamic now and each and every part. So this is our small project about car listing website. Hopefully enjoy it and like it, and hopefully you all know about briefly about ACF Pro. So that's it of today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay with me and more video coming soon. Thank you.